Why paint just one cat when you can paint 3? Let's get started by priming the paper with clear gesso using a palette knife. Applying gesso over a drawing is also a great way of preventing it from smudging during the painting process. To simplify color mixing, I'm using 4 colors: titanium white, ivory black, yellow ochre, and cadmium red medium. For efficiency, I find it better to color block first and save the details for later. Sometimes I like to add the background color prematurely just to see the subject pop and give me more motivation to finish a painting in just one sitting. Now it's time to paint the white cat. But how do you paint white? Pay attention to the light and notice how cool or warm it makes the white look, and start with an off-white. For highlights, you could add pure white straight out of the tube. Notice the subtle difference? Now it's time to add all the sharp details to the face and soft strokes to the rest of the painting. This way, only the important features that tell the story will be in focus in your completed painting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.